Hi, this is Kay. Let's learn Japanese with songs. Okay, I'm gonna sing a little bit now, and if you like it, just stay with me for 5 minutes maybe. Okay, so I'm gonna sing now. Okay. 春色の汽車に乗って海に連れて行ってよ How do you like it? Okay, let's do it. I'm gonna write down and I'm gonna explain some Japanese, the useful Japanese for daily life. Now, haru. This is haru is haru, spring. Haru. 春色の春色color 色春色 the pronounce is different from R, but okay, just follow it. 春色の汽車に汽車 This is very old word. 汽車 means train, but we don't use this word. We usually say 電車 I think you guys know that. 電車is this good word. Kisha is the word for how can I say? Old people use it, or some classical person, even he or she is young, they say kisha. So densha is like normal, more casual kind of, yeah. So 春色の汽車に This is tricky に乗って No, I wanna write here 乗って乗って is ride. Notte. So now it's spring, color, train, ride. These four words here. And not okay. It's a noun, kind of verb. So I'm gonna explain this a little bit. Notte is the basic one is noru. Ride. So we say 電車に乗る電車に乗る means ride on train. I mean take a train, kind of. You ride. Take a train. Yeah, take a train is better to say. So 電車 train に乗る Okay. So if you want to know ni or no, not today, I would like you to check some like real Japanese teacher who is talking about these things. Not now for me. Today I would like to tell you just easy word to get used to Japanese with beautiful song. Okay, one more time. 1, 2. Sorry, when I talk, I can't sing right away. 春色の汽車に乗って And next one 海に海sea に海に連れて is 連れてtake me something like that. So take me or something. Take or bring. 連れて行ってよ。海に連れて行ってよ。行ってよ。行ってよ。行ってよ。行ってよ。行って、okay, here's a verb. 行って、verb. 行って is go. Go. 行って、the basic one is 行く。行く。We sometimes say 行く。So 行く。行く。Both is fine, but this is the basic. What did I? Okay, this one. This is the basic verb. 行く。行く。So, like, 行ってきます。Do you know? 行ってきます。It's when you leave home, you say, goodbye, 行ってきます. I'm going, kind of like that. 行ってきます。行ってきます。So when you leave home, say bye bye, I'm leaving. Yeah. 行ってきます。I'm going, I'm leaving, but it says go, go, go. So, で、行ってよ。そう、連れて行ってよ。It's take me. There are no me, but take me and go, kind of like that. So 連れて take me and go. Yeah. 行ってよ。よ is よ is something like pushing a little bit. Push. Yo. Oh, here. Yo. When you want to push something, we say this. So, 言ってよ。やってよ。やってよ。やってよ is do. When you say in a cute way, やってよ is cute, but やってよ is like do it like that. So the way to say it's gonna be different how you pronounce, how you say with like this heart or like do it. I can't write like angry mother. Like open your eyes big and do it like that. Okay, やってよ yo. So yo is like that. So but now this song, the woman sings very, very sweet. So sweet way to say 海に連れて行ってよ。One more time. 海に連れて行ってよ。 海に連れて行ってよ。海に連れて行ってよ。I forgot to put ni. So, and singing is like 海に連れて行ってよ. So, actually, they have English version. English version says, on a spring-colored train, I'll go with you. So it's a little bit different when it comes to English. The Japanese, their expression is a little bit different because she says, okay, the whole thing is this: take me to the sea with taking a train. So with a train, the train color is spring color. Spring color train. That's a very direct translation, but that is how the Japanese lyrics saying. Okay, so I'm a little bit nervous. Today is the first time I record, and so I'll get better. Maybe I'll try. So the English version is, I don't know that. Okay, maybe. Okay, but first of all, I have to introduce who is singing the Japanese. She's very famous, Seiko Matsuda. Seiko Matsuda is singing. Matsuda Seiko-chan. How old is she? She's 60 something maybe. So, and then the English version, I will share the link the below box later. Mark Jordan. I just looked up on internet. So, okay. Seiko Matsuda's song Akai-sweet is a title. Forgot to say title. Akai-sweet. Akai. So Akai is a red. Sweet pea. Sweet pea. I don't know how to write in English. Let me check. ちょっと待ってね。Sweet pea. Sweet pea in English. Sweet pea. Oh, okay. Sorry. Sweet pea. Akai-sweet. So red sweet pea is the title. Okay, let's see how many minutes it took. Okay, let's see. Okay, thanks for listening. Okay, before I stop, I'm gonna sing it now. 1, 2. 春色の汽車に乗って海に連れて行ってよ。1, 2. 春色の汽車に乗って海に連れて行ってよ。So without music, just normal Japanese is 春色の汽車に乗って春色の汽車に乗って海に連れて行ってよ。Okay, I'm gonna talk very natural speed and naturally. Okay. 春色の汽車に乗って海に連れて行ってよ。 Okay, let me say like woman, very cute. 春色の汽車に乗って海に連れて行ってよ。My daughter is shaking her head like, no, 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 no matter what you're doing. Thanks for listening. Bye bye.